Hi, it's Kevin from Wireless Two-Way again. I just wanted to go through a couple of things as far as best practice using your two-way radio. Two-way radios have become a vital communication tool in the business and in your job by now, and ideally you want to be able to use these radios as intuitively as you do your own smartphone. That means incorporating best practice uses of the two-way radio into your business. First-time user or someone that's used radios all your life, and maybe you've created a couple of bad habits, let's go through a few thoughts and ideas on best practices in your workplace. Before going on duty, just make sure that your battery or your radio is fully charged and is powered on. Keep the volume high enough to hear all your calls. Make regular radio checks to ensure everything is working and you're still within range. When you are communicating on the radio, make sure you speak slowly and clearly so you can be understood. At the end of your transmission, say over to indicate you are finished so the other party knows they can speak or reply. If you're listening to a conversation, wait a couple of seconds. Before you speak on the radio or speak in your earpiece to your other staff members, decide what you're going to say and who your message is meant for. When you're talking on the radio, make sure you identify yourself as well as the person that you want to have a conversation with. For example, you might say, Michael, this is Kevin, do you copy? That way the person you're calling recognizes their name and then calls you back and you can have your conversation. Be mindful of transmitting any sensitive or confidential information. If you're waiting to have a conversation, wait 2 or 3 seconds before you hit the push to talk button to talk and have your conversation. Using your two-way radio, just keep everything as simple as possible. To avoid long, complicated sentences, just be precise and straight to the point. Your two-way radio is used for sending and receiving important messages, and not for gossip, small talk, which may block the channel for other radio users. Don't interrupt others when they're speaking. Wait patiently until they finish. While all this may seem to be basic and common sense, putting these best practices into action will make using the radios a lot easier in your workplace. With the current environment that we're in, I thought I might go over some how to clean the radio best. We use two things in our business for our rental company or rental department, either alcohol wipes or what you can buy from a grocery store or a local office works is a disinfectant wipes. Basically, it's to grab those, give the radio a good clean, front and back, antenna, with accessories, clean the connection, wires, particularly making sure that you're cleaning the microphone, handprints. At the top you'll find that's the microphone itself. Clean all that, and don't forget to clean the earpiece. You're also able to just leave the radio, leave the earpiece dry. Don't need to wipe it down. Let the disinfectant or the alcohol wipe dry there. And that's really about it. Also, if you've got a belt clip, these radios is the Motorola DLR 1060. They come with a belt clip. Give that a bit of a wipe down. And you're right to go. We've also been asked about wearing accessories. What's the best protocol? What's the best way? I guess everyone has their own preferred method, but for us, what we teach, basic earpiece on, connect to the radio. Radio will either have a belt clip or they'll have a holster. Connect that to the small of your back onto your belt, like so. That way that gets that cable out of the way. And then using the closed clip, connect that to your shirt. What we've got now is the cable's out of the way, tucked out of the way. It doesn't get caught on any merchandise that you're working with or shopping trolleys. It's under your arm, safe, tucked away. Look, hopefully this video helps you. If you've got any questions, we're only an email away. Please send us an email. You can also hit the subscribe button. That will notify you if we do or when we do any other videos. If you've got something you want us to talk about or give you some understanding, drop it in the comments down below and we'll help you out. All the best, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks very much.